Hi beautiful people, welcome to my channel. Today I decided to bring for you quickest hairstyle for teenager, for school, you know. So you can come here and choose something to put on your hair. And I want to thank you everyone who started this channel. God bless you more. God bless you more, guys. So like this hairstyle, it really can make you feel so comfortable, can make you feel so really good, and I hope you're going to like it, you'll enjoy it. And the other thing, guys, if you like the video, if you like the style, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, so guys, and share. So guys, like this design, it really makes you, if you're a teenager, if you know it, you can use this hairstyle. It can make you feel so comfortable and confident at the same time. Okay guys, so I hope you're going to like it, and I wish you to watch the video up to end so that you can find something to put on your hair. If you're not going to watch the video up to end, I hope you're not going to find something beautiful, because I bring for you beautiful hairstyle. So I suggest you to watch the video. Like this video, you can see it's really so it's really good, it's really okay guys. You can use this hairstyle for school, even summer. So guys, you can use this hair. And the other thing, it's really quick hairstyles, cause hairstyle. And other thing, I think it's to protect your hair. That's important for everyone. Okay guys, so I wish you to choose something here to put on your hair so that you can look so beautiful, you can look so good, you can look so cute, elegant. So you can see, if your teenager has a teenager, you can use this hair. A teenager for school, for you can find something makes you feel so comfortable, makes you feel so confident, and makes you feel good and beautiful. So guys, if you're not even a teenager, I hope you're going to find something here. You know, you're going to find on this video. You just watch up to end, and don't forget subscribe. Really, don't forget, you can comment. Don't forget subscribe. Don't forget share this video. Okay guys, like this, it's really quick. You can see guys, quick, very quick hairstyle. And the same thing, you protect your hair, and other thing, you make you feel comfortable with your hairstyle. Okay guys, so if you cannot do it yourself, I hope you can find a place to do it for you, like a salon, or someone can help you to do it for you, like this one. Look at this, look at this. So you can choose here something to put on your hair. Look at this, really so beautiful, really so quick. It makes you feel so comfortable, and this hair really protects your hair. I'm sure that it protects your hair. So, and it makes you feel so comfortable. That's important. If you do something and it makes you feel comfortable, you know this is wig, actually braid. So you can decide to wear a wig or to do it on your own hair. You can do it on your own hair. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget like, don't forget share. God bless you more. Just stay prepared always, anytime, any day. Jesus Christ coming soon.